Hi, my name is Raul Nemes. I'm a Senior User Experience Specialist at Smart. Welcome to the second in a series of 4 videos in the Smart Ink Video Toolkit. You might be wondering how Smart Ink works. Smart Ink works by putting a transparent overlay on top of windows that you can write into. When you're writing on a window, you're actually writing on the Smart Ink overlay. Many applications have their own drawing tools, and that's why we've added the capability to turn Smart Ink off. Here we have a Microsoft Paint window with an image in it, and I can go ahead and write digital ink on top of this image. I can now move this ink around, and you'll notice that the content in the software is not changed. That's because we've written the ink on top of the Smart Ink overlay. If I wanted to, I could temporarily remove the overlay by turning Smart Ink off. As you can see, the overlay is rolled up and that ink has been removed. The ink is not gone, however. I could bring the overlay back and the ink will reappear. Smart Ink indicates that it's on or off in a couple of ways. When the toolbar is green, the Smart Ink overlay is on. If I turn the Smart Ink overlay off, you'll see that the message changes to tell you that it's off, and the toolbar goes a light gray color as well. When the toolbar is off, I can use the built-in drawing tools in my software to permanently modify my content. So if I wanted to, I could choose a line and a color, and we'll give this koala a new face. As we mentioned earlier, the Smart Ink toolbar appears on windows that you can write into, and that includes applications from the Microsoft Office suite like Word, PowerPoint, and Excel. But because those applications have their own drawing tools, Smart Ink is turned off by default in those applications. So if I bring up a Word document, you'll notice that Smart Ink is off by the light gray appearance in the Smart Ink toolbar. But you'll also notice that Word's drawing tools are activated by default. And the same toolbar will appear in Excel if you open Excel. Now coming back to the Word document, if I wanted to make a change to this document, I could just pick up a pen, draw something, and say that this needs to change. And because I've used Word's drawing tools, that ink is now a permanent part of that document. So if I were to close it and save it, that ink would reappear in the exact same place.